believe I'm finally getting married. That man.
Dad! What are you talking about?
Please, listen to us.
You never liked him. She was engaged to him too.
No.
Now that you've just seen what's possible, let me show you exactly how I made that entire video from start to finish without paying for any subscription. No expensive tools, no advanced editing skills, just a simple step-by-step system that can take you from an idea to a fully produced 30-minute video completely for free. And stick around, because I'm also going to show you something most creators struggle with: how to keep your characters looking exactly the same in every scene, even when the story changes. If you skip any part of this, you'll miss the exact workflow that makes this possible. So watch till the end, and let's break it down step by step.
This kind of story, what I'm going to do is to walk you through every step I used to create this kind of video. So I encourage you to watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any part of it. And also, if you are new to this channel, kindly like, comment and share. And also don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any tutorial when I drop any video. So let's go straight to our story. So this is the prompt I asked ChatGPT to create for us a story. This is the script I gave ChatGPT to create for us a story. So what I'm going to do is to walk you through this so that you understand what I asked for. So this is how it reads. Create a highly emotional and viral cinematic screenplay about a young woman who just got engaged, but her parents desperately beg her not to marry the man because they believe he is hiding a dark secret. So I went ahead also. The screenplay should feel intense, heartbreaking, suspenseful, and emotionally powerful, like a trending short film on YouTube or TikTok. And these are the requirements of the story. Make it approximately 1 minute long. Write it entirely in screenplay or dialogue format. Include highly emotional, conversational, and realistic reactions. Add detailed skin descriptions, describe facial expressions, tears, silence, body language, and emotional tension. Include cinematic camera movements, close-ups, slow movements, shaky camera, tracking shots, and every other. So add also the lighting, description, and background. This is the prompt I asked. And if you want this prompt, I can also drop for you in the comment section. Just comment prompt and I will drop it there in the comment section for you. So the title of our story is Don't Marry Him. So this is the whole story ChatGPT gave us. This is the story. This is the whole story here. And these are the description of our characters. Aisha is a 24-year-old girl and David is 58. Mary, 52 years, this is the mother, and the fiancé is 30 years old. So this is our skin one engagement message. So this is our image prompt, which we are going to use. Also, we have the video prompt here, which we are going to use to animate our video. So also we have the dialogue prompts for skin one. So this is our skin two, also the same thing. Image prompt, dialogue, and every video prompt also. So these are all our prompts, and the next thing we're going to do is to go straight and create our image. So I went ahead also and asked ChatGPT to create for us the image. So this is the first image for skin one I created. I just went ahead and asked ChatGPT create image for skin one. This is the image ChatGPT gave us. And if you want to download this video to your gallery, just click on this download button here. And after clicking on it, it will automatically be saved to your phone gallery. So it will show you here that the image has already been downloaded. So the next thing you're going to do is to just go ahead and copy the video prompt into your clipboard. So and we go and animate our video or turn our image into video. So let's go to skin one for our animation prompt, which is the video prompt. So what we're going to do here is to copy the video prompt and the dialogue into our clipboard. So I'm going to do it like this. Long press it and copy all this thing into our clipboard. After copying, click on copy, and now our prompt will be saved automatically to our clipboard. The next thing we are going to do is to go to Google and search for Google Flow. So I'm going to use the Chrome browser. As you can see, I'm going to use Chrome browser for that. So what I'm going to do next is to go to Google and search for Google Labs. As you can see from here, I'd already opened it before. That's why you're seeing it on this, on top here. So what I'm going to do is just click on it, and it will automatically take me to the website. After that, it will bring you to this kind of interface. So what you're going to do is just click on this down below here. Click on Nano Banana 2 here, and we do some settings. What you're going to do is to click on video, because you're creating video, not an image. We had already created our image using ChatGPT, and also leave it to friends, because we're going to use our image to create our video. So the aspect ratio also, you can leave it to 16:9, because you are creating a TikTok video, again a YouTube video. So to maximize our credits, we are going to turn this one to 1x, so that we use only one to generate for us one video. We don't want to waste our credits here. So the next thing we're going to do is to go back. After going back, we're going to upload our image here, which we created from ChatGPT. So click on upload image here. And after clicking there, what we're going to do is to choose our image. So I'm going to select on my image, click on it like this. And after clicking, our image will be automatically uploaded to Google Flow. As you can see, our image is uploading. Then after it is finishes uploading, it will show it here. So what we're going to do next is to paste our prompt. So I'm going to click on what do you want to create here, so that we paste our prompt there. So after clicking on what do you want to create, it will bring it to this interface. So what we're going to do next is to paste our prompt we got from ChatGPT. So I'm going to just click on the prompt like this, and we are good to go. This is our prompt, and also this is our image here. After uploading our image and the prompt, what we're going to do just is to click on generate here. And after clicking, we need to just exercise some patience, because it might take up to 2 or 1 minute to create our video. Let's wait and see what it's going to give us. So guys, finally our video has been processed. What we are remaining with is to just click on the video and watch it and see what it gave us. Let's play the video and see.
I can't believe I'm finally getting married again.
So this is our skin one video animated, which we have already created. So the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and download it to our gallery, or you can either decide to leave it and create all of them at once, then you download it. Now to create a 30-minute video, we're going to maintain the extend feature here. As you can see, the screen is already attached to extend. Also, when you look at the prompt box here, it is already written what happens next. So what happens next means that we are going to get skin 2 video prompt and come and paste here, and we use it to create skin 2 video, or we can also use it to create skin 3, skin 4, skin 5, all our skins. We are going to use this very same feature to create it. So let's go ahead to ChatGPT and copy our skin 2 video prompts, and we come and paste it here. After copying skin 2 video prompts into our clipboard, what we're going to do next is to just go back to Google Flow and paste it into our prompts box. As you can see, we have already pasted our prompts, skin 2 video prompts, and after pasting it, now just click on generate, and our video will start creating automatically. After that, we are going to wait for some few seconds, and our video will be generated automatically. So remember, this is the extended video, and it contains both clip skin 1 and skin 2. So let's play both and see. There is no editing here, no what. This is how it looks like.
Finally getting married again. That man.
Dad, what are you talking about?
As you can see, this is an extended video. It contains both clip 1 and clip 2. So, and it is up to 15 seconds long. Now, after finishing creating skin 2, the next thing you're going to do is to go back to ChatGPT, copy the same skin 3 prompt, come back here and paste it into the prompts box, and after pasting there, click on generate, and your video will be completely generated. So repeat the same process until you generate all your clips using the same feature. Remember, after every clip, your video will be extended to at least 8 seconds long, and it will be adding every 8 seconds on top of it. And also, I went ahead and created some other videos using this same feature, and if I click on the download button like this, you will see a lot of clips generated. So what you're going to do is, over you can either download it one by one, or you can download the full long video at once, or clip by clip. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this part, please don't forget to like, comment and share. It will really encourage me to create more videos like this. To my old subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching my videos, liking, commenting and everything you do to my videos. So if you are a new subscriber, please, I beg, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, see you in my next video and bye for now.